Ultra moisturizing homemade foot cream. 3/4 cup coconut oil, 1/2 cup shea butter, 15 drops lavender essential oil. You can use any essential oil you wish, or a combination like lavender mint or lavender tea tree to further combat fungal issues. Method: combine the coconut oil and shea butter in a saucepan and place on low heat. Once they've melted, remove from heat and stir in the essential oil. Store in a glass jar with a lid to use. Massage this homemade foot cream into feet, focusing on dry, cracked areas. Cover feet with cotton socks right away if you wish. Try this every once in a while for some nice pampering, or repeat on a regular basis to soften dry feet.